doing?
Alright.
You recording this all?
Yep.
Right, okay. You're travelling miles too close to me. Okay? At the end of the day, if I had to brake, what would you do?
I'll brake.
You go straight in the back of me. If I had to brake hard, alright?
Yeah, but I'm looking ahead.
Right.
So the only reason you would brake...
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you, alright? No, I'm not going to argue with you, okay? If I had to brake in an emergency, I'm not saying, okay, if the car had pulled out in front of me or something like that, I had to brake in an emergency.
Yeah, but I'm looking ahead.
You are travelling too close behind the vehicle in front for you to be able to stop in time. Okay, you have to travel with a at least a 2-second gap between you and the vehicle in front. You are right on. You're right on the back of my vehicle.
I wasn't.
I'm not going to argue with you about it. All right, it's tailgating. Okay, I'm leaving it as advice, but I'm stopping to give you advice. At the end of the day, it's your life. You've got no protection around you. Okay, if you come off your bike, you've got a helmet, all your clothes, lovely, but it ain't going to stop you at those speeds. If you go into the back, I'm a collision investigator, I deal with fatal and serious road traffic collisions. Unfortunately, I pick motorbikes, cyclists up all the time, right? But unfortunately, the reason is, a lot of the time, speed and travelling too close. So please take my advice, keep your distance, wait for the car to pull over, and then you can go, alright? Don't sit right on the bonnet. You've got to leave 2-second rule. Have you ever heard the 2-second rule?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Right, do you know how it works?
Well, yeah.
I'm not trying to insult you, I just want to know how it works.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, if you've got like an object at the side of the road,
right.
2 seconds,
so try it now, after we've gone, and see what distance it will leave you between you and the car in front, okay? And I will tell you now, it will clearly show you how close you're travelling to me.
Okay.
Alright?
But I'd just like to say that I always look right ahead of the vehicle.
So do I, right? Because that's how we're taught to drive. But the thing is, if the car in front of me pulls out, and I've got no choice but to brake to avoid colliding with it, because I'm doing an emergency stop, right? That then comes back on you.
But I would assume he pulled out as well, because I'm looking far enough ahead as well.
Right, but it's an emergency stop, right?
Yeah. So,
okay. So you can argue as much as you want. At the end of the day, it's your life.
Yeah, I'll take
it in your own hands, alright?
Yeah.
Do not travel too close. It's called tailgating. People get prosecuted for it all the time, and it's called driving without due care and attention.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
Put it this way, I was extremely uncomfortable with you being there. That's why I put my blue lights. Okay?
No worries. Okay.